Good morning, guys! I'm awake and it's already 7 a.m. I have to move. I have to eat breakfast and then we're gonna go to UST for the talk. I am so sorry, hindi ko na-announce na pupunta ako sa College of Commerce today. Diba? Sana nakamit ako ng mga viewers, pero okay lang yan. I heated up my breakfast and sinlice-slice ko siya para init ng bongga. And then I have a cup of tea. Tapos, see, don't always have to follow naman yung, yung breakfast, lunch, dinner. Kasi ito, this is dinner, but I'm gonna have it for lunch. Kaya I heated it up na rin. I'm gonna bring this with me. Then with my hair and makeup, guys, I have my hair up. Tapos meron akong ganito. And then this is what my outfit looks like today. This top is from, or this dress is from Fashion Nova. I'll have the link in the information box. And I'm wearing my sneakers from Mango. Talk, guys. Medyo nasisilaw ako sa kasilawan ng araw ngayon. Pero I just finished taking OOTD photos with my sister. Thank you! And Aaron, hi! Kayang-kayang gayahin si Bretman Rock. I'm here, guys! Ballpit Manila! Oh my gosh. Kita niyo ba yung mga bola? 80,000 ba yan? Around. Oh my gosh! We're gonna dive in that later. I love it! Kaloka. And meron din sila parang mga lounge area since merong free coffee if you have, signed up na. Ang ganda, oh. Lounge. Definitely hangout place talaga siya, guys. Tapos, dito rin, meron din dito. Oh, bongga. Sobrang payat. Hi, Tash! Si Kay! Vlog. Base here! Oh, we're so bright. Yeah, we're gonna play later.
Hold it.
Some parkour guys are... Thank you!
I miss it.
Bagong hair ni Babe. Yes, it's purple.
What's up? Nagkaka-biciclet ako lang sa medyo.
As in bike?
As in, yeah.
Talaga?
I rode my bike.
Ang daming equipment ni Will. Ganyan ka lang. Ano to, ilaw? Ano ganito ako?
I don't go anywhere. No. Walang camera equipment.
What the hell? Puro camera pala naman nun.
Parang yung Mary Poppins bag, diba? Where it just like, it just keeps going on. My umbrella, payong, lahat.
We're stuck. Once you're seated, wala ka na, hindi ka nagagalaw. So kailangan mag-swimming ka ng bonggang-bongga. I love it! Hi! We can get up. Woo! Tay, are you alive? I can't! I'm not helping you. Just kidding. Swim! Swim, Tay! Swim!
Huwag kayong,
Huwag kayong hihiga.
Wala, ano lang siya malalim?
Come on! Saglolo! Saglolo! No! Bye! Ang dali mo?
Meron silang mga games, guys. Walking Dead card game. Monopoly. Uno. Bongga, babe! It's gonna open at March 1. Oh yeah, sabi tayo.
Here, just do it.
No, sabi tayo. March 1.
Yeah, March 1st.
March 1st. Yeah. $299 entrance fee. The free coffee. Manga.
Yeah, Bonga. Tama. There you go. You did it. And
So, information box for more information.
I like your camera. It's really nice.
To do a Q&A question.
So Will and I are gonna do a tag video. Ano yun, Will?
Well, bilang it's Thursday right now, Throwback Thursday tag video, di ba?
I've never done it, so gawin namin yon. 2 parts, one in his channel, one on mine.
Yeah.
If you haven't subscribed to him, I'll put the link info box.
Yeah. It's pretty fitting, di ba? Because we're in a ball pit room, and I haven't done this since I was a bata in like the 90s, di ba? When you're playing in those things. So, that's so clear. I love this camera.
Bigat ng cam niya, Diyos ko.
Like literally, look
Bigat.
at this. I walk around with this thing all day. Hey, kumusta? La, la, la. This is what I carry. Pero para sa vlog, syempre, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Kahit naka-grab bike siya nag-film. Pero iba yung gamit mo, no? Naka-grab bike ka. Anong gamit mo nun? GoPro?
I always have 3 cameras on me. There's one in my holding on my foot too. Diba? Ito? My iPhone. Well, it's in my bulsa.
Okay.
Dito. Boom. See that bulge? This bulge, not the other. Nako. The other. Alam nyo, you guys get it. You guys get it.
Vlog. Yep. I have taken over her vlog again. Forever.
Alright, say. Yeah. Start this. For everyone who doesn't know Saitiyoko, you're probably from Mars, but this is Saitiyoko, the top daily vlogger dito sa Pilipinas. So if you don't know her, you're about to get to know her. Question 1.
Down here at Toast Box, meeting with... Hi, Sam! Hi! Hindi nakita, no? Bongga. And I'm having... True.
I'm gonna with mine because I'm sorry.
Yummy laksa. May laksa sila dito, guys. Pero, mas masarap talaga yung sa bugis. On my way home na, guys, I'm so freaking tired. Ang sakit-sakit ng ulo ko. It's because of my ponytail. Sobrang higpit kanina. So right now, I'm having like a major headache talaga. Finally home, guys. Sobrang sakit na ng ulo ko. Kaya my Uber driver was so talkative. I kept saying, I'm going to freshen up first and then we are going to relax because I have a bad headache.